In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily close and open tabs on Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, we need to open up Safari web browser. And then if we would like to find all our open tabs, we can just tap right here at that button. That will show us all our open tabs, and from here we can close tabs in a couple of different ways. The first way is just to tap at that cross, and that will immediately close the tab. The second way is just swipe to the left on a tab you would like to cross, just like so, and that will also close that tab. To open up a tab, you can just tap on it. And there is one more way how we can close a tab from here. To do that, we can long press at that button and then tap at close this tab. That will close the current one. And also from here we can close all the open tabs at once. To do that, just tap at close all 5 tabs and then confirm it. As you can see, now all the tabs has been closed. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.